Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are, well, I'm sneaking. The missus is still in bed and I have this, our friends from Super Chips and Edge Products asked me if I wanted to test one of these things out. AMP 2.0, it's a throttle booster, and I'm gonna install it in Hetty's Grand Cherokee because, well, I said we weren't gonna do anything with her car, so well, she's missing out. We got to do something, but she has no idea that I'm going to install this, and then I'm going to boost her throttle sensitivity up while she's driving to see if she notices it. But it's a real quick, simple install. This installs in between your accelerator. There's a plug that plugs into that, a harness. It's basically going to be in between that wire harness, the factory wire harness, and this. I'll show you real quick. It's really easy to install. And we named Hetty's car Ma Beast, M-A Beast. Even though we really, honestly, this might be the only mod that we do with this car, because, you know, it's the family go-getter. Right there, you see the harness going into the top of the accelerator. You're gonna unplug that. And you should also disconnect your battery before you start doing this installation. It's always good practice, and they actually tell you to do that in the directions. But there we go, we got that unplugged. Let me show you what's in the box. There you go. So you got your actual module. Here's your AMP 2.0 module. Here's your remote right here, guys. And it comes with batteries for your remote. These two wire harnesses are going to go in between the factory harness and into your AMP 2.0 module. And then they give you some zip ties. Again, guys, this and an alcohol pad to clean off in case you want to mount this somewhere. I'm probably just going to keep it in my hand for the time being. But this is controlled through their app, their smartphone app. So in the directions, they actually have a SQR code. You just put your phone on that and it'll take you right to the app and you can download it. So you have your two harnesses for the AMP 2.0. This one's going to actually plug right into the top of your accelerator where the factory plug plugged in. And then this is going to go into your module. And then this one right here is going to plug into your factory harness. And I'll show you that. You'll slide that down, you'll feel it lock, and then you just push the red locking tab down. And then here's the other harness that came with the kit. As you can see, there's a little notch right there on this side, and it's going to slide in right there, and it'll click and you'll feel it lock into place. And then it's as simple as taking your AMP 2.0, and they're color coded. So you're going to put, it's like a beige, you're going to plug that guy right there in there. And then they only go in one way too, guys. You'll see there's a little lock, and they lock into place. And then I'm probably just gonna just temporarily, I'm not gonna go crazy trying to like hide these wires and stuff, because there's a nice tray up in here. Everything can just slide and sit right up there. These cars getting ready to be amped. And she has no idea. I think this is awesome. I mean, you guys said you haven't seen her in videos in a while, so it's time to get her back in them. Been telling her that for a while. Once this is installed, you're not done. You have to put it through a pedal relearn process. So don't touch anything with the pedal. Just stand by. We got our battery reconnected. We got the batteries in our remote. We have our app installed. We are connected to the Bluetooth. Well, Bluetooth is enabled. We're going to put our vehicle to run, but we're not going to start it. We have our AMP 2.0 app on, and we're going to hit OK. We're going to follow the instructions on the screen here. It's searching for the device. Press the pedal all the way to the floor and hold it until the amped device is found. So we're going to put the pedal all the way to the floor, and we're holding it. Device found. Discovery process using the pedal is different than pedal relearn process. If you haven't completed the pedal relearn, you will need to do that before the product will function. Well, we got to do that. So it found our device. It's connecting, syncing, and we're gonna do the pedal relearn. Pedal relearn process consists of pressing the accelerator all the way to the floor, then releasing it fully. This cycle must be done 3 times within 30 seconds, following a 30-second window after selecting OK. Confirm the LED color on the amp device is changed from red to orange. I guess I need to go underneath and make sure that it is orange. Okay, I confirmed that it's orange, and we're gonna hit complete. And I think we're done. Oh man, we got our levels. All right, I'm gonna take this thing out. All right, I want to show you how the different modes correspond. So you'll see amped, this is the way you want to have it in this position. Amped is spelled, or you can read it. Anyway, so I got the phone connected to it, we got the controller connected to it, and you'll see the little different power levels right there. So right now we're in 4, we're in sport. I just knocked it down 1 to drive, and you'll see it changes up on the actual app itself too. Let's take it down to stock. Hetty's gonna wake up and she's gonna see the Jeep's missing and I'm missing, and she's gonna be like, what the world is he up to? This is how you adjust your power curve. You actually grab here and you can adjust these. This is in eco mode right now, guys. I issue not. I'm barely giving it any fuel. Oh, she's gonna notice that. She's gonna notice that big time. Oh, this is gonna be hilarious. The car's just gonna take off on her. But yeah, barely giving it any, just like a tiny bit. Oh, what? It's acting like it's in sport mode on steroids. I love it. Hetty's getting ready to come out. She's finally awake. She's showered, and well, she thinks she looks presentable. So got to take the Ruby Beast out. If you missed the video where we installed the bead locks, we actually go down the complete rundown of how to mount tires to your bead locks the right way. I'm sure people will say we did it wrong, or did it, the YouTube mechanics out there, but got to take Ruby Beast out and test them out, and I'm very happy with them. And we got some battle scars already, guys. So, but yeah, very happy with this setup now. Probably should have went with 40s because, well, we need to go high. Oh, there she is. All right, so the missus, she knows that I did a mod to her car. She was bugging me and bugging. I want to know what it was. Yeah. Because we made a pact that I wouldn't mod your car, but I had to do it. Okay. Well, someone offered. Edge Products, Super Chips, you know, a sponsor of the channel. If you guys don't know, if you don't know who they are, they big sponsor of the channel. Always great supporter of the channel. So they hit me up, and well, here we are. So go ahead.
Are my keys in there?
Yeah, I actually have your keys. See if you can figure out what's going on. Do you think it's on the outside or the inside? She has no clue, guys.
Look how clean she is, though. Yeah,
attention to detail came in the clutch. Came to the house while I was working, because I'm working from home right now, and detailed the missus because her car was overdue. Ruby got detailed too.
My car never gets done. Am I driving somewhere?
Yeah, yeah, you can drive. I mean, you
I'm just you putting a seatbelt on.
Well, yeah. I mean, you're getting in the driver's seat. I mean, what?
Oh, I need
fuel.
Fuel.
Mm-hmm. Oh. It's hot in here.
Okay.
You see anything different with your car?
Hold on. My Pro Clip USA. Nothing there.
I swear I didn't tell her, guys, what this is. She's acting like there's nothing done to her car, but there is. There's something done to your car. All right, go for a ride. Let's go for a ride.
I don't understand. My steering wheel's not different, is it? I'm so...
Just don't hit anything.
That's why I needed a clue, a hint. Is it up here?
Yeah, it's near you. You probably can't see it though. Yeah, you can't see it.
Am I like?
You're not gonna be able to see it.
Are you? Are you tracking me?
No, I'm not tracking you. You track me.
Our phones track us. Do I have an air horn?
No.
Oh. Do I have? No, you weren't outside long enough. Come on, just tell me.
Why don't you give it a little bit of gas? We are in our development, guys.
Yeah, I
can't really give it a lot of gas out here. But...
Is she excelling faster?
You didn't notice that?
Well, I did just then, but not inside the driveway. I mean,
well, yeah, because you're barely touching the throttle.
What makes it do that?
Amped 2.0.
Yo.
Yeah, Edge hooked it up.
Huh.
And you're not in sport, guys. Just to let you know, she is in eco mode right now.
That guy's in sport over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
I honestly think I might need to get one for the Beast 3.0 because these 5th gen Rams, the pedals just ugh.
That will be fun on the bypass. I like that.
Yeah, I custom designed this tune. You got multiple different levels here.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, multiple different levels. You got economy, you have stock, which I can hit that and it's going to be a dog again. It's not really a dog though.
No, but you could definitely tell a difference from that last thing.
Oh, heck yeah. Then you have drive, and then you have sport, and then you have extreme.
Can you do that from not being in my car, or do you have to be in my car to do that?
What, adjust your levels?
Like, can you mess with me when you're not in the car?
No. You have to be, it connects through Bluetooth.
Okay, good.
Connects through Bluetooth. You do have a controller, and this is how you can go through your power levels right here. So you can
look how slick that thing is. That's even nice looking.
So there's your custom. We can go over one more.
Patty likes.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
She was so mad at me when I told her I was doing a mod to her car. I said I have to. They hit me up. They said, hey, can you try this out for us? Let us know your thoughts. And I said, sure. You can't turn that down. But then I told her about it. She goes, no, you're not. You're not touching my car. You're not touching it.
This is a good adjustment. I wasn't.
Dude, I wonder what this is going to be like. Let me put sport on real quick.
Right.
See if it's even more crazy. So we just turned sport mode on. Holy hell.
That's awesome.
But we can go back.
It's like I'm in the Charger.
Yeah, I don't get too crazy. We'll take it back.
I like this.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Well, thank
I'm not thanking
Edge,
you.
Edge Products.
Edge.
And the install was literally like five minutes to install, guys. Really simple to install. Doesn't affect your emissions. It's emissions compliant. All it is a throttle sensitivity booster. So it's good to go, man. No tuning required. It's just a plug and play device that fools your accelerator into giving more boost, more throttle, should I say. If you want to go back to stock, you can just use that controller. Just you let me know where you want me to mount it,
Okay.
And then I can download the app. If you want to use the app, you can use the app. I'm sure you would prefer just to yeah, this is eco mode.
It's insane.
I might have to get one for the beast.
This is awesome. This is good. Heady approved.
This car already had a lot of power, but this just takes it to a whole new level.
Yes.
Very impressive. Nice thing is it's not going to cause you any issues. Just make sure you go through the relearn process and the initial setup, and you'll be good to go, guys. Plug and play. If you have to remove it, it's literally 2 plugs. Throttle response, it's not jerky like some throttle sensitivity boosters out there. It's very smooth and gradual, but it comes on. It comes on hard, but it's not jerky. And you can lower the curves if you want to make it even smoother. But I like the way it's set up now. It's perfect.
I like it.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about any engine codes or anything like that. You're good to go. Just make sure you go through all the proper setup procedures like we did. And what's this? Okay.
Just the delay turn.
Yeah, turn your turn signal on literally right when you stop. That makes sense. So we're back home, and I'm just showing Heather how she can use the app. It's simple, just a click of the button. You have economy, that's gas fuel economy. Stock, it's picking it up. You got your drive. See how it's switching, the lights are changing. Yep. Sport, extreme, and
then your customs.
Click your button or your remote, and you can swap around. If the first time you hit it, it's just going to tell you which level you're on. Then if you tap it again, it'll change it. See?
Very cool.
With that, but that's the custom too. Yep. And then there's all your modes before that.
Perfect.
So you're probably not going to use the app.
Yeah.
But I could see you using this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you check out allbeastprojects.com. That's me, that's us, that's our merch. A lot of other good information on there, like Edge products, Diablo Sport, Super Chips, all those guys are on my partners page. Make sure you check out Edge products. I'll have their information for this in the video description below. As always,
thank you so much again. I appreciate it, and I love you.
We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.